Creating AI-generated animated videos may sound complex, but with free tools like Flexclip, anyone can produce professional-looking animations in just minutes. No experience required. Follow these simple steps, and you'll have a stunning video ready to share. Step 1. What is Flexclip? Flexclip is a free, user-friendly online video editor that leverages AI to make video creation effortless. With pre-designed templates, animations, stock media, and a drag-and-drop interface, you can create explainer videos, social media content, or promotional videos with ease. Best of all, its basic plan is free, offering plenty of features for your projects. Step 2. Signing up and getting started. To get started, visit flexclip.com and click on Sign Up Free. You can register via email or Google account. Once signed in, you'll be on the dashboard where you can start a new project or browse templates. Step 3. Choosing a template. For beginners, using a template is the quickest way to begin. Pick one that suits your video's purpose. For example, a clean, modern template for an animated explainer video. After selecting a template, it will load into the editor and you can start customizing right away. Step 4. Adding voiceovers and music. To make your video more engaging, add a voiceover or music. You can record your voice directly or upload a pre-recorded file. Flexclip also has AI-powered text-to-speech for natural-sounding narrations. Step 5. Previewing and exporting your video. Once you're happy with your edits, click Preview to watch your video. Make any necessary adjustments, then click Export to download or share your video in 720p resolution for free. With Flexclip, anyone can create stunning AI-generated animated videos without technical skills. Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, or hobbyist, Flexclip is a powerful, accessible tool. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides. Happy video making. Thanks for watching.